Alright guys, so we got the motor out. Made a bit of a mess because the torque converter decided to pop out, but it's out. Time to start disassembling the block and look for the needle bearings and find the other piece of the roller. Alright guys, so we dropped the pan and we found our needle bearings and the other part of the lifter, the roller. There's the other piece. We got a roller right here, another roller bearing. We got like 5.5 right there. So we're gonna go ahead, clean the oil pan really good, make sure we get everything out. We're gonna check the pickup tube and start getting the front stuff off, so that way we can install the cam. And we're gonna clean up the pistons a little bit and go from there. All right, so we're currently letting the pistons soak a little bit with some lacquer. That way we can scrape off the carbon buildup. We already scuffed this and we already cleaned the pistons on this side. So we're gonna let those pistons soak for a little bit, and then we're gonna go ahead and clean everything off and then finish scuffing the block so we can paint it. All right guys, so we got the block all cleaned up. We just painted it. So now I already got the lifters out on this side. We're gonna go ahead and remove the lifters out on this side and then get the phaser off of there so we can pull the cam. I already lined up the timing marks too. As you can see, you see that notch, and then down there you got a little dot with the mark 2. So we're gonna go ahead and remove that and get the cam out. So this is a better look at the cam. As you can see, the lifter was rubbing right there on the edge once the roller fell out. Not completely sure what happened there. And then there was another piece right here as well. But that's out. And we do have the new one in there, and we have the new lifters in there. Alright, so we finally got the seals in. We already went ahead and installed them on the intake side, and we already shimmed the intake side as well. It says that we have to use 3 of these washers, so we put 3 of those on there. We got the stock seat for the valve spring, PSI spring, and the retainer. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the tool, and then that way I can compress them and get the keepers on there. Alright guys, so I made a little oopsie. I removed the wrong screw on the phaser. I tried to do it by memory from the last time that I installed one on a 6.4, but I should have definitely brushed up on the instructions. So the spring rotated, and we won't be using this thing anymore. But we do have another one we're gonna go pick up at the dealership, and we already have this head ready to go. We installed the spring, shimmed everything, so we're looking good on that one. And we do have the other head over here. We're gonna start taking out the valve springs and lapping the valves and doing all that good stuff. But I'll conclude this video with that, and I'll make another video once I start installing the heads and get the long tubes on there and stuff. So stay tuned guys.